So MGW install went off the rails. Just kidding. Since I'm doing the MGW shifter, which is done, I figured why not at the same time install kill mat. Now I compared this stuff to Dynamat in because Dynamat comes in the MGW kit. This was $60 from Amazon, and it's 36 square feet, 80 mil. Dynamat is 160 for the same 36 square feet. So this is just my first line of trace here. Start installing, and yeah. Whole interior ripped out. Seats, didn't disconnect the seat belts, just move the seats to each side. Easier that way. Yeah, so this stuff. That's really bad. I mean, that's literally just plastic. So this should make a significant difference. That's pretty solid. But this is really cheesy.